Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po inyong lingkod, si JomarX, and today we will be reviewing one of my older units, the Ming Dynasty FN Scar L. This unit is I got from a friend of mine, brother Mark of Team MYK. It's a very beautiful unit. This is beautiful. There are lots of trades and hairstyle, some markings, on the body. It's tan and somewhat goldish color. I don't know what color this is. And lots of metal parts. So lots of metal screws, metal buttstock connector, metal buttons, ambidextrous magazine release, ambidextrous fire selector, which is a little bit hard, and this is heavy, around 2 kilos plus. And I think, oh yes, metal outer barrel and inner barrel, and a barrel extension, so it looks accurate to the, somewhat accurate to the real thing. See, looks nice. Features. Oh, it has a most probably it's not Sijun metal gearbox split type. So that's nice. Makes it easier to fix. But again, this is a Scar, so a little bit difficult when it comes to disassembly. Lots of screws. You have to remove stuff to reach this one. Oh, this one has a what call this one? Bolt latch. So this looks nice. And if I remember correctly, this is ambidextrous, so you can move it to the other side here. So it's accurate. But for me, as a lefty, firing, then mag release, then new mag release latch, accurate. BB capacity, same as usual. One of the problems is this one is the mag is somewhat unique to this version, so that's a headache. And the good thing is that my dual mag design is compatible, so it will help when it comes to magazine capacity, because since the mag is unique to this model, if you're going to buy the Ming Dynasty, the mags will be a problem. Side. One also the cons of this one is that the battery space is different from the Scar L. It is very limited. The battery space is only this one. This is the connector for the retractable stock, so it uses up the space. You can see, very limited. Where is my special? This one, a nice battery. Will not fit. Will not fit. So it limits the upgradability of this one. I might create a battery buttstock extension in the future, eventually, but I have so much backlog. I said earlier, the weight of this one is around more than 2 kilos. It's a little bit heavy. More than 1 kilo, almost 2 kilos. It's heavy because of the metal parts. And since this is a Sijun metal gearbox, upgrades is plenty. Although it will be limited by the battery, so that's something to think about. It also uses a 480 size motor, so that's nice. But again, the disadvantage of this one is that it doesn't have what do you call that one? adjustment screw for the motor height. So that's a disadvantage. And this is annoying. The retaining pin for the magazine, the stock cover is loose. So if you're in the game, you might lose this one. So I think it's better to change this to a screw, not in screw for safety reasons. I think I need to find one for this one. FPS, this is as usual standard 200 plus FPS. And the barrel, this one is fairly long, around oh, 3 300 millimeter plus. So it's an M4 length. Although you can extend it more, but it's up to you. Because the barrel is only until here. But you can extend it to much longer one. Range, it doesn't have a built-in hop up, so it will reach the 10-meter mark, but hop up is recommended in this one. And since this is a short, very short barrel extension, exposed barrel, most of my hop ups will fit this one. And it needs a hop up because I can see the barrel moves. Anything that causes vibration will affect accuracy. So always keep that in mind when upgrading your unit. For the price, this is a little bit expensive. I remember correctly, it's 6 or 7,000 a long time ago. I don't know what's the price of this one. I'll try to look for it in the Lazada, and I will try to post an affiliate link down in the comment section down below. More or less, this is a more premium version of the Scar L. Most of its not minimal disadvantage, lack of features is on this unit. There are some disadvantages, but we will work on it. It's so cool. Oh, it has also metal buttons on this one for the raised cheek rest. And it's also a working folding stock. Oops. Okay. So looks nice. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam! Ching!